Hello there, creative minds. Join me today to this virtual journey as I show you how to make this Mother's Day flyer. Let's get right it, shall we? So first, what we are going to do is create a canvas. I am going to use 8.5 centimeters for both my width and height. I will also use 300 pixel inch for the resolution just to make my design more quality. Then, I'm going to everything else and click create. Don't be scared, we are not going to do much. My tutorials are easy and simple. We are going to work on the background. But we need to download a stock image. So we're going to go to Pinterest and download an image of a child and a mother. You can sign up on Pinterest with either your Gmail, Facebook or an email. After downloading, we go back to Photoshop. We create a solid background of red because that's the color I will be using. After that, we just drag and drop our downloaded image into Photoshop. We rasterize the image, then use the select tool to deselect the parts of the image that's not been filled. We then fill that parts by using the Fill tool in the Edit toolbar. Make sure the content is at content aware. We then change the color from white to red, and create a gradient effect. Next, we drag and drop another stock image. By using a brush tool, clean portions of the image covering the old image. Now that we are done with the background, let's find something that will capitalize on Mother's Day. First, let's search for freepik.com. If you don't know what Freepik is, Freepik is an image bank website. Content produced and distributed by the online platform includes photographs, illustrations and vector images. We then search for a Mother's Day vector art and download one that seems fit. All we have to do now is to get the downloaded vector into Photoshop. I'm going to use the copy and paste method to make things simpler for me. I'm going to adjust the image size to fit my canvas. You can either extend or contrast. Just remember to make your design nice. Now I'm done adjusting. I'm going to remove the white background for the vector image. I'm going to do this by using the blending options. Then in the This Layer section, I trim the white part. Just a little bit. You can also hold the Alt key to help you adjust it. Now that there is no background, let's customize the vector by making the whole vector white. I'm going to do this by creating a white clipping mask on the vector. Oh no, I almost skipped a step. I had to convert the vector in Smart Object to make this work. Hooray, we did it! Hey, you are almost there, but you are not done. Up to this point, you can add any additional items you think are necessary. Such as your brand's logo, location, and many more. As you can see, I'm just add my personal social accounts detailed to the flyer. Hey, not to forget, I have a bonus for you. You can also download the PSD file of the design free by just clicking the link in the description below. With this said, I think we are done. But before I finish, I want to say, Happy Mother's Day to you, all the women out there who have shown us what it means to love unconditionally, give selflessly, and lead with grace and strength. You are the backbone of our families, communities, and world, inspiring us with your resilience, wisdom, and compassion. Thank you for all that you do and for being the shining examples of love. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below to you this helping.